In 2026, the European Union is rolling out one of the most significant regulatory changes for manufacturers in a decade. The Eco-Design for Sustainable Products Regulation, or ESPR, will require nearly every manufacturer selling in the EU to provide a digital product passport. This means tracking, verifying, and reporting unprecedented amounts of data across your entire supply chain. The complexity is daunting, and the penalties for non-compliance are severe, fines of up to 10 million euros. But what if compliance wasn't a burden? What if you could meet every ESPR requirement with confidence and ease? Introducing GetProdPass.com, the all-in-one platform designed to make your business ESPR ready. GetProdPass.com is a powerful, cloud-based SaaS solution that simplifies every step. Our intuitive interface requires no technical expertise, allowing your team to generate compliant digital product passports in minutes. Built on a secure blockchain foundation, your data is immutable, transparent, and completely trustworthy. And whether you're a growing business or a large enterprise, our platform scales with your needs. The 2026 deadline is closer than you think. Don't let ESPR compliance become a crisis. Be proactive. Be prepared. Visit GetProdPass.com today to schedule your free demo and lock in exclusive early bird pricing. GetProdPass.com, your passport to effortless compliance.